then folks, it's the start of the mammoth task of tidying up the allotments. There is so many weeds and loads, but I'm going to do it bit by bit. Now I've got a stumbling block, and that is that it's looking like my car's going to be scrapped today. It's an old diesel and it's failed on emissions, and but she's going to let me know later this afternoon whether they're able to find a part and how much it would all cost. It's also failed on brake pipes and something else, so I guess we'll find out. But so that's going to make things a bit more hard for me without a car. Might either have to walk here or come on the bicycle. Anyway, look, I've just spotted some flowers over here. I'm not sure what they are. Anyway, I'm going to start on this part here. I'm going to work my way down. Nigel's coming, he'll be here in about 5 minutes, and then we'll take you around the plot and you can just see how good or bad it is. Bye for now. Okay folks, I've just got started, and while I was pulling everything out along the side of the fence here, I don't know whether you can see it or not, got stung on my lips and that. So when you get stung with stinging nettles, find a bit of dock and just rub it like that. And that takes the itching in that away. It's lovely. Here's Nigel. I got stung on my lips. And I was pulling this away. Well, I've already had a good start.
Oh, good.
And I was just telling them about use the dock.
Oh yes. The stinging nettles are really quite fierce this spring.
There you are, folks. Hold on. Right. Hello, folks. Can you see what we've done? Don't know whether you can see it. There we are. Gone along here. I've not gone all the way down yet. Nigel's over here. He's been working his way down there. I'm trying to get through this part down here. I can tell you we have got so much fruit on the bushes. It's unbelievable. Let me just move that up a bit. The raspberries, the loganberries, the currants, everything is absolutely loaded, folks. So we're going to try our best to get it cleared, and that. It's just a matter of where to put all the rubbish. Some of it's been composted, but there's only so much you can do. A lot of bindweed in here. So what I've done, I've found a lupin down there. What I've done is I've just done the best I can. What I'll probably do, there's another bed down there. I'll probably might cover it over with black fabric for this year. At least that 3 there. This one I can leave the lupin to do its bit. Man, yeah, I think I've chopped 1 or 2 of the leaves off by mistake, but never mind. We've got some lovely things around the plot. Nigel and I will give you a little tour when we've had a bit more tidy up. Okay, I'll catch you in a bit. So folks, as you can see, we've got Nigel here. We've just cleared all this area here. What's the word in, Nigel? We're getting rid of the heavy stuff.
Yeah, we're just sort of mowing and
not mowing.
Cutting stuff off, getting rid of the undergrowth, the nettles, docks and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So we can see what's underneath.
So we've made a good start, and right, we'll just take you around the plot, I think.
Yeah, we're sorting the waste into 2 piles, that can be composted and that which has to be burnt.
Hang on a minute, folks. knocking things over. Right, so as you can see, we've started on that area, that top area. These are all the rubbish what we've got to dispose of, and we're going to work our ways down. Oh, Nigel, I'm just looking at the plum tree. It's got a lot of plums on, hasn't it?
Yes, it has.
That's way ahead of my plum tree at home. Some of those have gone yellow and then they fall off. I think it's frost damage when it was...
Well, some of them do abort like that naturally, yeah.
Ah, right. But none of mine are this size at home.
They've developed quite well. They're about as big as acorns, and there's some more on the tree at the back there.
Yeah.
That's got quite a lot.
Shall we have a quick look?
Be careful you don't trip over the brambles.
You can see we've got 1 or 2 pairs on here. Oh, a few.
Yeah, there's one. Look.
Oh, yeah, there's quite a few actually. Probably a couple of dozen.
Oh, and low down here, look.
Yeah, here. Mind you, they're looking a bit...
Oh, now we've got something interesting here, look. Can you see? Do you know what that is? The leaves are all curling up, and you can see some ants.
Right.
So that means the tree is...
Aphids.
Aphids, yeah.
Yeah.
So we just take the ends off like that. Yeah, you break the ends off.
Okay.
They look quite good.
So...
Yeah, the plum tree is a little overgrown, but this was planned because you can't prune plums in the winter.
Right.
And now we can either prune it straight away,
Yeah.
or if we think we might accidentally prune fruit off or knock fruit off, we can wait until it fruits and then we prune it, whilst the leaves are still on.
Yeah. And just look, folks. Look at them all. There's
Do you
a
know
lot.
what sort they are?
I think they're Cesar.
Yeah. Are they blue ones?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just gotta watch our feet.
Yeah, be careful where you step.
Yeah, it's alright. And, oh, the apple tree. Oh, Nigel. We have got some on here, haven't we?
Yes, the tree is absolutely loaded. And I've done a lot of hand pollinating as well. I think this tree was a little bit sheltered by all the undergrowth that you can see all around, and it avoided the frosty winds.
Yeah, you can see it's all overgrown. Obviously now we're going to get this, well not today but another day, get it all cut back. Because it doesn't, it can be a benefit, can't it, Nigel, but it can also cause problems to the trees or plants.
What's that? The undergrowth?
The undergrowth,
oh
yeah.
yes, it can help, but that's why I didn't clear the undergrowth earlier, because I was worried about the frost getting to all the fruits. But now it could be properly cleared.
Yeah, that's fine. And on, oh no, that's what we got.
Right, this is another
Pear tree.
Can't see any on this one.
Oh yes,
yes there are.
Yeah, over here. Oh, we've got some here, folks, and here, and over there.
Oh yes.
Yeah, we've got them. Oh, and there's a few more up there. Yeah, so we've got a few. See how it goes with the June drop. And then this plum tree. Look at them all, folks. It is loaded. It's loaded. Look at it all. Look at that. Absolutely.
Yes, it looks like these are going to mature as well.
Yeah. Wow. Right, let's move on. Wow, you can see it might look like a mammoth task, but it's not that bad, is it, Nigel?
No, it isn't. A lot of the stuff will be fairly easy to get out. You can see there are goat willow trees coming up, little saplings.
Oh yeah.
There's one, look.
Yeah.
So we can easily dig that out, and that will clear a little area.
Yeah.
These
look
are
at the poppies.
Yeah, poppies. Loganberry's here.
Yeah. And we got the look at the red currants and black currants.
Yeah, there's a lot there.
What are you going to do with those, Nigel?
Wine making possibly, do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, and look at this rhubarb here.
Yeah, this is the Livingstone rhubarb.
It hasn't flowered at all.
No.
So all the rhubarb is good.
Yeah, it can...
it's quite slim, but it's really good.
Yeah, for 10 months of the year that's meant to be able to pick. So, again, we've got lots of fruit on this side.
Yeah, gooseberries, look.
Oh yeah.
And there,
these are the red pink ones, yeah. Yeah, so we'll get that sorted. Those beds in the middle, they're covered. Just a matter of, well, obviously we'll probably leave it for this year, but they'll get tied back next year.
Foxgloves appearing everywhere.
Yeah, look at them, folks. All different colours. We've got some pinks, we've got some kind of an orangey colour, we've got whites. So this is the raspberry. We can see we've got some of that willow we've got to get out. Is that willow?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Yeah, so we've got to go through this. That will be an imminent job because we need to be able to pick the fruit.
Yeah, another willow over there, look, that one is quite big, that's got to come out.
Yeah. Now, I didn't plant the foxgloves there, folks. They've just self-seeded everywhere. Now, we're going to leave them if we can, because they'll attract the bees, which is good for the fruit. So, they might not be in a very good spots, but we'll do our best.
Oh, there's a nice foxglove down there, look, a
it's
dark
beautiful,
one.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Now, this, folks, this is the rhubarb that's gone to seed. And what happens is this will go brown. It's beginning to turn. And then you're able to collect the seeds, let them dry out once they've all gone brown. And you've got literally, well, between those and those, there's literally tens of thousands of seeds. And you think if you buy a packet of seed in the shop, 60 seeds are normally sold for about £2 something. And I would say there's a good few thousand there. I've got some. Now the tunnels, we're not going to go in there. It's I don't know what's going on in there. But we'll get it there. It's a project. Oh, strawberries. We've not looked at strawberries, have we? Let's have a look. See, we have got strawberries on the plants.
Yes, Alison's been keeping the beds fairly clean.
Yeah.
So there should be quite a lot of fruit here.
Yeah, you can see there's lots of flowers. Again, folks, with the flowers, if you ever see one with a black dot in the middle, that means it's been caught by frost and you need to take it off. These are looking all good, which is one of the benefits of having lush weeds. Protects them.
And Alison has been keeping these clear as well. You can see these are looking quite good.
Quite a few of it.
Oh, I thought that was a strawberry, but it's a red leaf.
Yeah, I thought the same initially. Yeah, so that's looking good. Really good, to be honest, Nigel.
Yes,
done a great job, she
there.
has, because we didn't get many strawberries off these first couple of years when I put them in.
No, they look quite nice, strong plants now.
Yeah, and there's a lot of new plants in there I can see as well. So that's it, folks, that's that. Now we'll do another little video for the hens.